Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to create new event Microsoft Outlook on computer. So how to create new event Microsoft Outlook on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Microsoft Outlook on your computer. And this is the initial display on Microsoft Outlook. To create a new event via Microsoft Outlook, just point the cursor to the top left of the computer. On the Home menu, tap the down arrow next to New Mail. Now here a menu will appear with a thread below. Tap New Event. Now here the input menu will appear. In the Add the Title section, type title, for example, Meeting. Type the members who will be invited. Type their accounts. Next, you can set the date schedule for the event. And here enter the start time of the event. And here enter the end time of the event. You can also enter the address of the event you created. And here you can also enter a description of the event you created. Once finished, tap Send. So that's it, tutorial how to create new event Microsoft Outlook on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.